Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look again on euro currency. Sive Morten here with the forexpeacearmy.com. So yesterday we said that overall situation looks bearish, but we have a lack of the particular pattern, some confirmation that market really intends to keep going lower. So there were no clear stop for position taking. Today the situation is stands better, and at least we could make some suggestion on possible performance. What is more interesting is that currently the points of the potential market reaction as on the Great British Pound, as on the euro currency, mostly coincide, although they're driven by absolutely different patterns. Now you could see that in euro currency, here's downside continuation. As we said yesterday, probably more chances for downside action. And currently, since this loss already has been taken out, market's coming there, and based on the overall type of action, we see there's some acceleration on intraday charts. It's really big chances that market will try to reach 114.90, 115 area, because actually this is the cluster of the targets. We have the butterfly OP target of this ABCD to the downside, and take a look, this is favored your 50% support. At the same time, by taking a look at the whole picture, you could see that this price action can't be treated as, well, some fast and furious. It's more reminds a retracement action. It's clearly slowed down here on the performance to the OP. Potentially we have this choppy action, but theoretically we could even treat it as a kind of the Gartley's triple to buy. So what I would like to say is that around 115, 114.90, 115 area, we could get very healthy upward bounce. Maybe it will become the reversal of the upward continuation, but at least some response here is quite possible. And that's the point where we could keep an eye on the possible bullish patterns on the intraday charts. So that's why this level seems interesting. The same story is on the Great British Pound. If you take a look there, you could see that market slowly but stubbornly is coming to target of the ABCD pattern. But here CDLX stands slightly slower than the AB, and it's come to agreement with the major FIB support area. So let's take a look. This will be also a kind of Gartley's triple to buy around 131, 131.40 area. So where is actually OP also stands. So the same conclusion we could make here in Great British Pound. That's the clarity that we're getting. Intraday performance mostly confirms a suggestion of the further downside action. On a 4-hour time frame chart, you could see this ABCD pattern. Now we definitely could say that previous upside pattern has been erased. Yesterday with these lows, if you remember, we still said that it nominally valid, but of course nobody believed that actually it could start working. Now we have nominal official confirmation that upside pattern is raised, and take a look, we have definitely acceleration on the CD leg. It's faster than AB, and it means that OP target here with the high degree of certainty should be completed. The target of the OP stands in the 15.15 area, very close to the targets on the daily chart, which is the 15.03. So big OP here. Finally, the butterfly that we discussed on hourly chart works perfect. Yesterday we've got the 127 extension, but once again, giving this acceleration, 1618 probably also will be reached, and take a look at it. Perfectly agrees with the target 1520 of the OP that we have here. It's actually butterfly target here, it coincides with it, and also stands relatively close to the daily support cluster. So once all these extensions will be completed, I don't know, maybe XOP probably will stand still too low. Yes, it's 1420, it's too extended for now. When all these targets will be completed, we probably should get some reaction around this support area, and that's what we intend to do in the next week. I do not know, guys. I will see whether it makes sense to prepare the update in the weekend, just because today is a holiday, it's Halloween, and actually we could get not enough activity today. As you can see, it's very lazy price fluctuations, so maybe the picture remains the same. if it will happen. So that probably you could treat this video as an update also for starting of the next week, so for Monday. If I will see by the end of today's session something interesting, it's important, I prepare another video. So that's probably all for now. Enjoy the holidays, and just let's see what will happen around the support area that we have just mentioned.